Hello Lingua lovers, welcome to our YouTube channel Lingua Prima. Okay, so today we are going to our lesson with me, Miss Anggi. For your information, we are opening now in Lombok. Untuk informasi, sekarang kita sudah buka di Lombok, Lingua Prima. Untuk alamat lengkapnya, kita ada di Jalan Wirangbayan nomor 11, Pungkang, Aikmau Barat, Lombok Timur. Untuk lebih jelasnya kita ada di belakang Uni 2. Okay? I'm waiting for you guys. Okay. Yeah, today we are going to learn something super useful in English, the difference between used to and be used to. So now, let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we wanna know is used to. Apa sih used to itu? Used to adalah kebiasaan di masa lampau. Jadi, used to di sini menceritakan tentang suatu kebiasaan kita namun di masa lampau. Yang kita lakukan di masa lampau namun tidak relevan di waktu sekarang. Kita tidak melakukannya lagi. Gitu. For example, for the positive form, subject plus used to plus verb 1. Jadi di sini used to dia diikuti dengan verb 1 atau base form. Here the example, I used to play Mobile Legend. Okay, this is my experience, my own experience. I used to play Mobile Legend. Jadi saya bermain Mobile Legend, tapi itu dulu. Sekarang saya tidak main Mobile Legend lagi. Gitu. Okay, for the negative form, bentuk negatifnya gimana, Miss? Gampang, karena di sini used to adalah past form of the use. Di sini use dia menggunakan verb to. Jadi dia bentuk kalimatnya kalau dilihat-lihat ini adalah simple past tense. Jadi bentuk negatifnya kita pakai didn't di sini, bukan don't or is not, am not, tapi didn't. Why didn't? Because this is the what is that past form to the negative di simple past tense. Gitu dia. Oke, untuk bentuk negatifnya gimana? I didn't use. I didn't use. Dia subject plus didn't plus used to plus verb 1. Jadi dia tidak pakai use lagi di sini, tidak pakai verb to, tapi kembali ke bentuk base form. Jadi, I didn't used to play Mobile Legend. Singkat aja, biar gampang. Soalnya papan tulisnya kecil, gitu. I didn't used to play Mobile Legend. Jadi, aku gak main Mobile Legend dulu. Gitu, bentuk negatifnya. Nah, bentuk interrogatifnya, kalimat tanyanya gampang aja. Auxiliary verb, put it in the first, in front of the sentence. Did plus subject plus used to plus verb 1. Did I used to play Mobile Legend? Ya enggak tahu katanya saya gitu. Oh, how about you? Did you used to play Mobile Legend? Or what is that? Or you play it until now? Okay, now we are going to the another one. Yang satu lagi ada be plus used to. What is be? Be is to be. Yuk, to be ada berapa aja to be? Be is, am, are. Okay, there are 3 to be's in English. Is, am, are. Ayu Dewi, don't forget the subject. Ayu Dewi, she, he, it. Ayu Dewi, she, he, it. I am, you, Dewi, are, she, he, it. Pakai is. Gitu. Jadi di sini be yang dimaksud adalah kamu tergantung subjeknya. Kalau subjeknya I, to be-nya adalah am. Gitu. To be plus used to and plus verb for the form here. But before that, when we use used to, be used to. Oke, jadi di sini used to aja polosan. Di sini be plus used to. Nah, be plus used to di sini digunakan untuk menceritakan, sama-sama menceritakan kebiasaan yang kita lakukan namun sekarang. The time signal is the present. Time waktunya itu menjelaskan kebiasaan kita yang sekarang, yang masih kita lakukan sampai sekarang. Gitu. For the form, gampang aja. The positive form first. Here, subject plus be plus used to plus verb ing. Jadi dia di sini pakai verb ing, bukan verb one lagi. It's different. That's the different. Di sini dia pakai verb one, be plus used to dia pakai verb ing. Okay, here the example. She is used to waking up at 6 in the morning. Jadi, what's that she? She adalah dia perempuan. She is used to waking up at 6 in the morning. In bahasa, dia perempuan terbiasa bangun jam 6 di pagi hari. Jadi kebiasaannya dia bangunnya memang di jam 6 gitu. Miss, kenapa dia pakai is? Karena tadi aturannya she, he, it, di to be-nya dia pakai is. Gitu. She is used to waking up at 6 in the morning. Waking. Di sini dia karena verbnya kita diminta harus pakai verb ing. Verb ing dari wake adalah waking. Gitu. Wake up, bangun. Kalau diubah menjadi verb ing jadi waking up. Jadi dia terbiasa bangun di jam 6 di pagi hari. Gitu. Okay, for example, study becomes studying, run becomes running, borrow becomes borrowing, and then eat becomes eating. Gitu dia. Jadi kita harus ubah dari verb one menjadi verb ing. Oke, bentuk negatifnya gimana, Miss? Gampang aja kita, we just need to put a not after to be, gitu. Subject plus to be plus not plus used to plus verb ing. That's it. She is, what's that? She is not used to waking up at 6 in the morning. She is not used to waking up at 6 in the morning. Okay, for example, if I change the subject becomes you, to be-nya apa? Is, am, are. You. Yes, exactly. Kita pakai are. Contohnya, kamu terbiasa makan bakso setiap malam minggu. Jadi kalau udah malam minggu kamu makannya bakso. Gitu. Atau hang out with your friends. Yang kalian makan ujung-ujungnya bakso. Gitu. Kamu terbiasa makan bakso setiap malam minggu. So, in English, you are used to eating meatball every Saturday night. Gitu. Okay, take a look for the what is that? Interrogative sentence. Bentuk kalimat tanyanya gimana, Miss? Gampang, sama. Jadi to be yang pertama di sini. To be plus subject plus used to plus verb ing. To be dari si tadi apa? Is. That's why is put here. The first sentence is gitu. Is she used to waking up at 6 in the morning? Apakah dia terbiasa bangun jam 6 di pagi hari? Itu dia. So, remember, kalau setelah used to diikuti dengan verb one, itu artinya dulu terbiasa. Kebiasaan yang kamu lakukan di masa lampau. Kalau setelah be used to diikuti dengan verb ing, itu menceritakan kebiasaannya kamu sekarang. Oke. Okay, now let's test your understanding. First question. I blank 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 live in Surabaya, but now I am in Lombok. One, two, three. Yes, used to. Number two. She is blank 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 working long hours. One, two, three. Yes, be used to. Number three. You used to go camping with your family? You used to go camping with your family? One, two, three. Yes, did. Karena dia bentuk kalimat tanya dari used to plus verb one. Number four. My brother play soccer every weekend when he was a kid. My brother played soccer every weekend when he was a kid. One, two, three. Yes, used to. Okay, the last question. I blank 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 cooking every day. For the last question, please answer the question on the comment below. Okay, that's all for today. Sekarang kamu sudah bisa bedakan used to dan be used to kan? So, I just wanna tell you that practice makes perfect. So, keep using English in your daily life. Sampai jumpa di next lesson berikutnya bersama saya, Miss Anggi, only on Lingua Prima. Keep learning and keep growing. Bye-bye!